Magic English YouTube channel presents.
Happy International Yoga Day 2021. International Yoga Day is celebrated on Monday, the 21st of June 2021. Happy Yoga Day to you. Yoga is all about creating a balance in your life. It is about balancing your senses, balancing your body, soul and mind in order to live healthy and live in peace. Wishing you a peaceful and healthy life on International Yoga Day. Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. Yoga is the perfect opportunity to be curious about who you are. Yoga means addition of energy, strength and beauty to body, mind and soul. Yoga is about creating a life that brings more beauty and more love into the world.